In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your App Store balance. If you've redeemed an Apple gift card or added funds to your Apple account, it's a good idea to know where to find that balance so you can confirm it's available before making a purchase. The quickest and easiest place to check is directly inside the App Store on your iPhone. Start by opening the App Store. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. This will open your account page. Under your name, you may see your Apple account balance displayed. If an amount appears there, that means you currently have funds available to use. If you don't see any balance listed, that usually means there isn't any available balance on the account at the moment. If you want to check another way, you can also do this through your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app, then tap your name at the top of the screen to open your Apple account settings. From there, tap Payment and Shipping. If your account has available funds, your Apple account balance may be shown there as well. This can be helpful if you prefer checking your account details in settings instead of going through the App Store. There's also a way to view recent balance activity in some regions. If this feature is supported where you are, open the Wallet app and tap your Apple account card. There, you may be able to review recent purchases and balance transactions. This is useful if you want to confirm when funds were added or see how your balance was used. If your balance doesn't appear, there are a few things to check. First, make sure you're signed in with the correct Apple account, especially if you use more than one account on your devices. A missing balance is often just a sign that you're looking at the wrong account. You can also try signing out of the App Store and then signing back in, which may refresh your account information. And if you recently redeemed a gift card, double-check that the redemption was completed successfully. So to recap, the fastest method is to open the App Store, tap your profile picture, and look directly below your name. If you have a balance, it should appear there right away. That's the simplest way to confirm how much App Store credit is currently available on your iPhone.